Well, skies are mostly clear across southeast Texas tonight. A few high clouds streaming in from the southwest. Take a look at our Roofing 911 Skycam network over at L'Auberge Casino in Lake Charles. Just a few high clouds, temperatures running in the upper 60s at the present time. We should drop on down to near 60 by tomorrow morning. Now, the good news is at least we finally have some chances of rain in the forecast, but not till the middle of the week ahead of a cold front. It's going to be dry the next 3 days, kind of cool at night, warm in the afternoon like we've been seeing. Very, very nice. And scattered showers returning on Wednesday, about a 40% coverage. That's ahead of our next cold front, which will arrive on Thursday. So we'll have a 50% coverage of showers and storms. They're scattered, not going to be real widespread, but anything we can take, we need desperately across southeast Texas, and drying out again as we head toward Friday and next weekend. At least some of our models say so. You see some of the high clouds working in from the southwest for a nice evening. Expecting lows once again to drop on down to the 50s in the lakes later tonight, maybe even some upper 50s here in the Triangle. 73 now, 69 Silsbee, 70 up in Jasper and across the state. Not bad behind that front. We got 50s in the northwest. Look at Amarillo, 53 degrees, 53 in Childress, 70s and 60s to the southeast. There's quite a bit of cool air off to our north and northwest. And temperature change over the last 24 hours. Pretty significant to our northeast, especially over Louisiana. It's a lot cooler than it was this time last night. A little bit warmer across south central Texas. But the bottom line is the cold front came through earlier today. No rain with that. But the next couple of nights, we're expecting temperatures to drop on down into the 50s, kind of like what we saw last week. Some chilly mornings, then warming up quickly in the afternoon. The front's well to our south in the Gulf. Eventually, that'll work back to the north as a warm front by Wednesday of next week. In the tropics, Hurricane Julia with winds of 75 miles an hour, about to make landfall now in Nicaragua, Central America. So that's great news there as it continues to work to the west. Should continue working west and will slowly weaken over the next few days over Central America. That's great news. You can see the track over the next few days. May even get back out of the Pacific before it dissipates by the middle part of next week. But no threat at all to the Gulf of Mexico. That's great news. And of course, as we head into Tuesday, notice on Tuesday the moisture is not far away. So by Wednesday, we'll have a few showers as we showed you back in the forecast. There's our next cold front out to the west. That front will work into the area coming up, looks like on Thursday, but just enough moisture, thankfully, to at least see some scattered showers on Wednesday and with the cold front itself on Thursday. So that's great news. Then we'll see some drier weather behind that. Although as we head into Saturday of the weekend, kind of some computer model differences there. We could see a few showers coming in with an upper level trough coming up on a Saturday. Tonight we'll drop on down into the 60s overnight. Some areas falling into the 50s, a few high clouds. The weak front working down, just kind of reinforcing the dry weather we have in place. And as we head into tomorrow, pretty warm in the afternoon. We'll start off cool, then warm well into the mid to upper 80s across southeast Texas. So pretty good looking forecast the next few days, that's for sure. Now the long range as we head into about a week from now, notice a trough coming down. That'll bring the cold front through next Thursday with a chance of rain, and also a weak trough too. So kind of iffy on the rain chances a week from today as well, but still plenty of time to look at that. Marine forecast, we'll see seas up to 2 feet. Winds pretty light, southeast late in the afternoon, up to about 10 knots. Cool tonight, lows in the mid to upper 50s lakes, upper 50s to near 60 in the Triangle. Very nice, mid 80s tomorrow. Another beautiful Sunday coming up. 10-day forecast, finally Cameron, some rain in the forecast Wednesday and Thursday. Scattered stuff, another cold front. Then there's that chance of rain possibly next Saturday. So looking good. We need the rain. We're in bad shape. We'll get a few showers by the middle of the week.
It has been just gorgeous. Last night, football under the lights was perfect, Kerry. We'll keep it. Keep it coming. Keep this nice weather coming.
That's right.